In early this morning of another drone that was spotted very close to the international border in Jammu. This time around, alert forces, the Jammu and Kashmir police managed to actually shoot down this drone, and what they've recovered from it is about 5 kilos of IED, which clearly shows that terrorists were in fact using these drones to transport explosives, to transport bombs, to in fact spread terror in the valley. Now the information that we have is that early in the morning this particular drone was spotted by our forces and it was then shot down. Remember that in the last few weeks there has been heightened drone activity since their attack at the Jammu Air Base, and in many instances our alert forces have pushed the drone back. This time they've actually downed it and recovered it, which will be crucial also in the investigations going forward into this. Kamaljit Sandhu is joining us live this morning with the latest updates on this and what we know so far about this latest drone terror. Kamaljit, good morning. What's the information so far that's been put out by our agencies, by the officials on this incident? Fortunately, the drone has been brought down and it will be, of course, very helpful in the investigation.
Well, let me break down the information for you. The drone was brought down last night. There was specific information available with Jammu Kashmir Police. They used a AK-47. So no interceptor, no anti-drone gun was used. A simple AK-47, which is used by JKP, was utilized against this particular drone. It was brought down. It weighed 17 kgs and had a 5 kg IED payload. The IED, which was wrapped, it meant that it has to be assembled and was to be used in Jammu and Kashmir. This is obviously a clear ploy. This is 8 kilometers inside the international border, pointing out to the specific hand of Pakistan. But again, evidence has to be used because remember, any sort of deniability will always be there from Pakistan. So it has to be proved with evidence that this came in from Pakistan side. Now, last week itself, we saw there were at least 2 drones spotted near Khnur area. Earlier also, there were several drones which have been spotted by security forces along the international border. But none have been brought down. This is the first instance where Jammu Kashmir Police itself has brought it down. Clearly, this means this is the new modus operandi. There are 2 methods of use. One is by dropping the drone, as we saw in the Air Force Station. But clearly, there is the second modus operandi where they're sending in packaged IEDs which have to be assembled within the city or where potential receivers are there, who would then assemble and use it across Jammu and Kashmir. So a clear design by Pakistan-based terror elements. Also, we've been told this is 6 meters in diameter. It's a very big drone, weighs 17 kgs, and that is how it is carrying a payload. Clearly, this is a sign of indication that things are escalating very fast. Even though Amit Shah, the Home Minister, said that the interceptors and Make in India interceptors would soon be used.
Yes.
Some of them, we've been told, are already being utilized. But clearly, this is a mammoth task at hand. But a shot in the arm for security forces, especially the Jammu Kashmir Police, who've acted on specific information and brought down this drone.
Definitely, Kamaljit, but it's also worrying, isn't it? Because this establishes beyond doubt that these drones are being flown from across the border, also being used to ferry bombs, to ferry explosives and to reach terrorists in the valley and then spread terror. So our forces now have to also look to the skies to ensure that there's no infiltration attempt from the skies now.
Very clearly, this is a new pattern. They are using technology, they're using drones. So this is something which has been voiced not just by intelligence, but also by DGB Dilbag Singh, who had said that Lashkar and other terror groups are using this. Now, this we've been told is a drone which is half Chinese and with some parts which are suspected to be Taiwanese. So this is also itself an assembled drone in many sense, but we'll have to await the details. Clearly, this is a pattern which is now emerging, but with the delimitation process taking place and elections could just be a few months around, Pakistan using latest technology with the help of the Chinese drones to use pinpointed targets, not only to attack, but also drop weapons and IEDs so that they can be used further on.
All right, Kamaljit, thank you for joining us with all of those details. This is a story that we will continue to track very closely here on India Today and continue to get you the latest updates on.